Hey guys, today I want to show you this Lego assault rifle I've built. It is pretty long. It has the removable magazine, working trigger, and the moving slide. We can also put the slide in this position and lock it, like on MP5. So you need a little bit of force to push it like that. So here is the magazine. It was built like that. Fuck. So the grip, as you can see, it's a bit different on this side in comparison to this. That's made for my finger, so it's more comfortable to hold. But the whole gun weighs a lot, and this small grip is not very reliable. So the iron sights are pretty good, I guess. The stock. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.